Introducing DeWalt Two-Way Radios, your ultimate communication solution. Rugged, reliable, and built to last, DeWalt radios are perfect for construction sites, warehouses, and any business needing seamless communication. With crystal clear audio, long battery life, and a long range, stay connected no matter where you are. Designed to withstand the toughest conditions, DeWalt radios are weather-resistant, durable, and easy to use. Boost productivity, enhance safety, and keep your team connected with DeWalt Two-Way Radios. Upgrade your communication today. Visit Mr. Two-Way today.